Thinking of starting an online business while preparing for motherhood? Most people believe success comes from having the perfect product or business idea, but that's not what makes or breaks your success. The real reason why most moms to be struggle, avoiding mistakes that can slow them down. Before you start, let me show you the biggest mistakes to avoid. Imagine having an online business that actually fits into your life, ones that work around your pregnancy and growing family instead of taking time away from it. Picture waking up to sales notification, knowing your business is running even while you sleep or spend time with your baby. No stressful phone calls or chasing people, just a simple system that work in just 2 hours a day. That kind of freedom is possible. And today I'm going to show you how to avoid the mistakes that keep so many moms stuck so you can start building your online business in the right way. Now I get it. Starting something new might feel overwhelming, especially when you are preparing for a baby. I've had those moments of doubts too. But I've also learned that you don't need to have it all to figure out to start. You just need the right system, the right mindset, and a few simple daily steps that actually move you forward. And I'm here to help you skip the guesswork so you can build a business that fits your life without the stress. Before we dive into the biggest mistakes, make sure you grab my free 10K 30 days guide to get the exact steps and tools I use to work just 2 hours a day and create a business that runs itself. Click the link in my bio to grab it now. Now that you have the guide, let's talk about something as just as important, the biggest mistakes that can slow you down before you even get started. Because here's the thing, most people don't fail because they don't have the right idea. They fail because they fall into steps that keep them stuck, frustrated, and overwhelmed. And I don't want that to happen to you. So let's go over the common mistakes and, more importantly, how to avoid them so you can start your online business in the right way. Number one, waiting for the perfect time to start. You tell yourself you will start after the baby is born, when you have more time, or when life feels less busy. The perfect time never comes. You miss out on months or years of potential income. Start small, but start now. You don't need 8-hour workdays to build an online business. You just need a proven system and 2 hours a day. The sooner you start, the sooner you will create an income stream that support your growing family. One of the biggest myths about online business is that you need hours of free time to get started. Time will always be limited. What matters is how you use it. Number two, trying to figure everything out alone. You spend hours researching, jumping from YouTube videos to Google, but never actually take action. You waste time of learning instead of earning, and months pass by without making any progress. Follow a proven blueprint. A step-by-step system saves time and gets you results faster. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. Just follow what's already working. Trust me, I've wasted so much time trying to figure things out on my own when I could have followed a system that actually worked. And that's why mistake number 3 is so important. Thinking you need to be on every social media platform. You try to post everywhere: TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, but end up burned out and struggling to keep up. Spreading yourself too thin make it impossible to grow on any platform. Focus on 1 or 2 platforms where your audience is. It's better to be consistent on one platform than scattered across 5. Master one, then expand later. I know because I made this mistake too. When I first started, I spent weeks trying to be everywhere on social media. And guess what? I got nowhere. The moment I focused on one platform, everything changed. Less is more when it comes to social media. You don't need to be everywhere. You just need to be where your ideal customer are. Now let's talk about a few more mistakes that could be slowing you down. Thinking you need to sell to friends and family. You avoid starting because you don't want to DM or pressure people you know. Relying on family and friends limits your business growth and make it feels awkward. No cold calls, no DMs. The right system bring the right people to you using organic marketing and automation. Number 5, not automating your business from day one. You waste time on repetitive tasks instead of focusing on growth. Manual time takes up all your time, leaving no room to scale your business. Use automations. Your business should run even while you sleep. The last one, letting fear of not being ready hold you back. You doubt yourself. I'm not a tech savvy. What if I fail? What if no one buys? So you never start. Self-doubt keep you stuck. And you miss out on opportunities to create financial freedom. Every successful business owner started as a beginner. The only way to grow is to start taking action now. These 6 mistakes holding so many moms to be back from creating the financial freedom they truly want. But you don't have to make them. If you're serious about making a change, grab my free 10K in 30 days guide, where I will show you how to earn 100% profit from digital product. Work just 2 hours a day with a simple system and automate your business for 24/7 income. Click the link in my bio, enter your email, and let's make this happen.